Skittles beside my makeup. Face. Green. I mean, green is one of my favorite colors. Next is contour. Come on. Green again. Oh, I think I definitely added way too much of this contour. Concealer. Pink. Hopefully I can make this work. I didn't think green and pink could go together, but it doesn't actually look too bad. Eyeshadow next. Purple. I feel like this is starting to look more like Gamora now. Is it Gamora? Glamora? Graphic liner. Oh, what? How many greens are in this packet? Okay, this is the design I've gone for with the graphic liner. Eyebrows. Don't do me dirty. Oh no, no. Let's go again. Come on. I'm gonna do yellow at the front of the brows and then green on the end. Do they just look like the same shade to you? Lips next. If it's green again, I'm gonna scream. This might be my last Skittles Picks My Makeup video because I feel like I've overdone it now. I've done so many of them and I don't want you guys to get bored. Unless you're really enjoying them and you want me to continue, comment and let me know. Details. Come on, let's finish strong. I don't know where I'm going with this design, but who's ready to see the end result? Okay, here's the end result. These paints that I used are actually UV neon glow, so who's ready to see what they look like under the UV light? Here it is with the UV light. It looks so scary but so cool at the same time. Honest thoughts, what do you guys think? Is this a cute or a fail?